in a washing machine here. This is Clopetus at its best. I don't know if you can appreciate how far up and down we're going and side to side. It just sucks. It's because we got waves off the dam and headwinds off the wall to my left. So this is what I mean when I tell you gotta have something in reserve for stuff like this. So just gotta keep going here. Catch my breath in a little bit. This is worse than Superior along their walls. Yeah. Plus you got current. Fuck, here's a big wave. Washing machine. Washing machine. Washing machine. And I'm not liking it. And I'm getting wet. It's Muscatine up by the bridge. Okay, it's calming down. I only am going to do another couple miles. First decent sandbar. I see, I'm done. It's supposed to rain in a few hours, so hopefully I can get the tent up, dry it out before it rains. Whee! This is fun! Whoa! Ooh. There's a big one. Oh, get me out of this. Getting sick yet? Oh, come on. At least the lockmaster told me there's sandbars around the bend. So, looking forward to that. Yeah, Muscatine tonight. Today. It's 2:15 right now. And I don't know. I started at 87. I don't even know what. This lock is 57 maybe? No, I started at 80 and this lock is 57. So not that many miles today, but I don't care. Whoa, a little surfing here. Whee! It's almost like I should keep the film rolling in case something happens. Not too dramatic. It'd be really cool if, I don't want to do this, but if I had to get flipped, camera rolling, flip it back. How cool would that be? I don't think I can do it so well with the sail and all this gear, but I certainly would give it a couple tries. It would be hell trying to get on this right now with the paddle float. And then once you get on, you'd be getting knocked all over the place while you're trying to get skirt back on, the water out. It'd be brutal. So, lots of Eskimo roll attempts until my breath runs out. That's not going to happen. Don't worry, Mom. This looks worse than it is. Alright, I think I'm filming because this isn't all that exciting. It's just bumpy and rough. And I hope there's a sandbar.